Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to put TikTok shop on vacation mode. Alright, the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your TikTok shop account, which of course I've done right here. Now you can grow your business with TikTok shop. You can grow your business tremendously, and with TikTok shop you can tap into TikTok's vibrant, engaged global community to build your business and turn discovery into fantastic purchases. So now that we know a bit of what TikTok is about, or TikTok shop is about, we can hop into today's text, which is how to put TikTok shop on vacation mode. And you want to go on a vacation and you want to change the shop. You want your shop to go on vacation with you. Here's what you can do. From your homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find this icon. Click on that and you have this extended menu that says my accounts, time zone, logout, Click on my accounts. And once you click on my accounts, you can see a further extended menu that says seller profile, account settings, link TikTok account, and contract center. Go ahead and click on account settings. And it takes you here. We have these categories, which include user management, taxes, vacation mode, communication preferences, qualification center, warehouse settings, and delegation mode. So go ahead and click on vacation mode. Holiday is coming. Holiday is coming. Start holiday mode. So enjoy your holiday and TikTok shop will elevate the service fulfilled by your store based on working days instead of calendar days. You can view the policy if you want to. So start holiday mode. So turn on holiday mode to temporarily deactivate your listing. Make sure you fulfilled all pending orders before you leave. You also need to respond to customers' messages during holidays. So this is my shop. My shop has not been enabled. So if you want to toggle it on, and once you toggle it on, then set your range. How long are you going to be on holiday for? Start dates and end date. Once you do that, go ahead and click on submit. And once you click on submit, that's going to be it. So set up an automated reply to automatically respond to customers' messages during holiday. You can set up now, or make sure all the pending orders have been fulfilled before you leave for holiday. Now, after filling that out, go ahead and click on submit. And once you punch the submit button, that's it. Your holiday mode for your shop is going to be set. My shop has not been activated, so that might not pull through. So once your shop has been activated and approved, then go ahead and punch submit. That's just it. You don't have to go through any stress. So go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you're going to begin to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.